Hello guys, welcome to NicAtams Graphix. If you want to learn how to add music to your video, then this video will show you how to step by step. So go to CapCut and import your video. So after you have imported your video, then tap on sound. You see sound here. Tap on sound. Yes. So when you tap on sound like this, CapCut will give you musics. It give you music that you can use to put on your video. So these are musics, so you can play them and then select one. So let me play this one. So if you want to use this music for your video, what you do is that tap on this plus sign here, the plus sign here. Tap on the plus sign. You tap on it. The music will be added to your video. So let's play and see. Do you see how it is? Very nice. You see how it is? Yes. Okay, so when you add the video, you have to do some editing on the audio, on the music. So tap on the music. So when you tap on the music, you can see volume. So if you want, you can add the volume of the music. So you add the volume of the music and then press OK. Okay. So when you're done with that, you can fade the beginning of the video, the music. So when you tap on fade here, fade in means to fade the beginning of the video. When it start playing, it should start playing slowly to high. So if you drag that one here, so it press OK. So you have to also check on, drag it to the last and see whether it has matched or it has. So you see that the music has taken, it's longer than the video, so you have to trim it out. So drag it like this, let it match on the video where the video ends, then you highlight the music and press split. When you press split, you delete the other portion out. Yes, so this is how you do that. So when you do that, so when you are done with that, then you can also fade the last part. So you drag that one too, you fade it this way. Yes. So this is how to add music to your video. Okay, so this is when you want to use the music from the app. Yes, but if you want to import the music from your gallery, this is how you do that. So tap on the music, tap on the music, tap on the sound, tap on sound. So when you tap on sound here, we are not going to use the music that is given by the app. You're going to use a music from a device. So tap on this arrow, this sign, tap on that one. So when you tap on that one, you can see extracted and then from device. So we're going to use the music from a device. So tap on device. So So when you tap on device, your music will pop out. The music you have on your device will come. Then you select on the music that you want to use. You look at the music, you have to search the music that you want to use for the video. So I have to go through and then get the music, then use that music for your video. So this is the video I want to use, so I'll tap on it. It'll start playing. I tap on it, it'll start playing. So when it start playing, then I know that that's a video. Then I will not add that video to the music. So I will add it by tapping on the plus sign. So it has uploaded to the video. So when you play, you hear that video sound there. So this is how to add a music to your video using capcut, whether music from the capcut or music from your device. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching.